after overlocking the side seam and the straight edge of the 4 pockets, you need to pin the pocket to the front, right sides together. Match the marking threads as you can see here. Take care to be precise so that your pockets will line up. The marking threads need to be directly on top of each other. Make sure you backstitch at the beginning and at the end, and then sew between the marking threads. To edge stitch, fold the pocket over and stitch right next to the edge, exactly between the marking threads. Now we are going to repeat this for the back pocket piece and the back skirt, making sure again that you match the marking threads at the top and the bottom of the pocket. Sew between the marking threads as you did before, and then fold over the pocket piece. You don't need to understitch at the back. Now arrange the back on top of the front right sides together and pin together, matching the marking threads. Once you have pinned the front and the back together at the marking threads, you're going to close up the side seam. This means sewing from the underarm to the top of the pocket at the marking thread, and then starting again at the bottom of the pocket marking thread and through to the hem. Now press open your seam allowances, then arrange your pockets directly on top of each other and then pin together. Now you're going to sew the curve of the pocket together with a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance, and make sure that nothing gets caught at the top or the bottom of the pocket. Take it easy going around the curves of the pocket and just shift your fabric around the curve as you go. When you've finished sewing around the curve of the pocket, then you just need to overlock the edges together and give everything a nice steamy press so that it sits flat. And there you have it, a beautifully sewn side seam pocket.